Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect Canva to your Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is head on over to googledocs.com, so docs.google.com, and then just go ahead and choose a blank document, or you can continue working on a current document or an old document you've been working on. Basically, we just need to open up a document. Now from here, where it says File, Edit, View, etc., go ahead and click on Extensions, click onto Add-ons, click onto Get Add-ons. Now, once we've done that, a pop-up's going to appear. So where it says Search All Apps, go ahead and type in Canva, and now search for Canva. And now here's Canva on the top of the search results. So go ahead and click into Canva. And then it should have a blue install button. And now this is going to enable seamless design by integrating tools like Gmail, Drive, and Calendar with Canva, built for individual teams and entire organizations. So click on the blue install button. Now what it's going to do, it's going to sign you into your Canva account. So let that sign in, select all, scroll down, click continue. Now, once you've signed in to your Canva account, it's going to say Canva has been installed. You have successfully installed a Google Workspace add-on. Canva has been added to your Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drive, Calendar, and Gmail sidebar. So click Done.